Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying the essentials. You need a 5G-capable handset with current firmware and an active Jio 5G SIM and plan. Once that's confirmed, make sure your APN reads GeoNet. If not, update it. Next, restart the device and toggle airplane mode for about 10 seconds to force a fresh network registration. This forces the radio to renegotiate bands and often resolves temporary signaling or provisioning slowdowns. Now you perform detailed tuning. Open network settings and set preferred mode to 5G or NR/LTE. If speed stays slow, manually select the Jio operator to avoid roaming onto congested cells. Next, clear conflicting profiles by resetting network settings. This removes stale APNs, VPN routes, and custom DNS. Once done, wait for the phone to re-register. The phone will attempt carrier aggregation and the correct 5G slice, which usually restores expected throughput when the radio and core are aligned. Complete by validating performance. Run speed tests outdoors near a window and in multiple spots to compare. If results are poor, insert your SIM into another 5G phone to isolate whether the handset or the SIM/provisioning is at fault. If the alternate phone is fast, update or reset your device. If slow on both, contact Jio support and ask for SIM reprovisioning and a tower health check. If nothing changes, try a temporary replacement, SIM. This single step often fixes provisioning-related slow speeds.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.